Welcome to a new episode of RAW.DRIVEN. Today I'm driving the brand new BMW M5 Touring, 727 horsepower, 1000 Newton meters of torque. This is a family car, and now we drive it. I like the downshift from the V8 and the electric power. BMW M5 is the first BMW V8 with electric power. We can check the launch control. Wait a second. DC off. Brake. Full throttle. 3, 2, 1. Crazy. The M5 is very agile and fast for 2,550 kilograms. I have sold my BMW M4 G82. I hope so you have watched the video. That's my first video with my own car. What do you think? The BMW M5 Touring is a good option or a bad option? Let me know in the comments. So, that's the M5 Touring. Let me know what you think. Please subscribe my channel and see you in the next episode.